Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka NGT Committee ka balasyong perkhat labon sin kadang don hapadang kajing bisyar benia ha ka bayadai bar kajing siyo bailut ksan daga sorkar syaki bahayeng hasem jong ki lanot ki balayap ha ki kremti dawyong ki balaja ha East Janta Hills bat hari lom garo. Chairman ke NGT Committee Justice Retired BP katake ha kajing kren bat kilat pathai kubor ulai tho baka committee kan sa IT ru ya ka kai phot syaka National Green Tribunal ha ka bayadai bat kani kajing siyo bailut ksan na ka platin ka jong ka sorkar jalla namar kumba kalong hadu menta ka sorkar kampat siyo satya ya ka bailut ksan syaki bahiyeng jong ki khat prangut kilanot ki bala doe ya kajing em ha kajing khlem ka kremti do yong harilom garo wala ka sorkar ka lamang pisaban siyo Marshilak Marway.
We have also taken a decision for payment of compensation. The amount will indicate in the report to be submitted to the NGT in the later part of this month. Compensation to the persons, the victims of Garo Hills incident, compensation for the victims in Kasan, compensation for 2 or 3 victims in a nearby place in Kasan, near Claryhat. There was another incident following that Kasan incident. And in Garo Hills, they have paid, not paid. Government has sanctioned 1 lakh rupees each to the 8 to 18 persons, which includes 3 or 4 injured persons also. But that fund, according to the government, is yet to be released because those persons so far have not been able to contact because all the persons are from different districts in the state of Assam. And in respect of Kasan incident, they said that government has already, as directed, paid an amount of rupees 1 lakh and further amount of 2 lakh is from the Prime Minister's Relief Fund. So 3 lakh for Kasan incident already paid. For the subsequent incident occurred near Claryhat, 1 lakh paid. And that is the payment in respect of the 18 persons in Garo Hills incident that is in the process. Because unless they are verified, the amount cannot be released because there may be subsequently some other claim may come in that respect, particularly in respect of the person who died.